Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have given question x plus y equals to 24 and xy equals to 36. Solution. And of course, first thing here is copy what we have. You have x plus y equals to 24, and of course you have here xy equals to 36, and this can be named as equation 1 and this one be equation 2. About from here, equation 1, we have x plus y equals to 24, and here we can make y as substitute of the formula by finding the value of x, which is equal to 24 minus y. X is equal to 24 minus y. Then of course we are going to take here, this is equation 3. We're going to take this in equation 3 and substitute or plug in it into equation 2. What should we get here? We have xy as equation 2, which is equal to 36. And of course here you have value of x, where we have 24 minus y times here y equals to 36. Then we shall write for 24 y minus y squared equals to 36. This by rearranging, we shall write negative y here squared minus here plus 24 y minus 36 will be 0. And of course by multiplying negative on both sides, we shall write y squared minus 24 y then plus 36 is equals to 0. And of course this is a quadratic equation, so that we are going to use quadratic formula to find the value of y. And of course here I shall write a equals to 1, b equals to negative 24, and c equals to 36. Of course here I shall write y1 and 2. This is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of here b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. And this is equal to negative b is equal to negative 24 plus or minus square root of b squared, that is 24 negative squared, then minus 4 times 1 times a 36, then over 2. And here we shall write equal to 24 plus or minus square root of this 24 squared. This is equal to here 576 minus here we have 4, 12, 14, 144 over 2. And of course this is equal to 24 plus or minus the square root of here. This is what we have. We have 6 minus 4, that is 2, and here we have 3 and 4, then over 2. And of course this is 24 plus or minus here square root of, we are going to find perfect square from this number we have right here, so that 432, this is equal to 144 times 3, right, then over 2. And of course this will bring 24 plus square root of 144, that is 12, square root of 3 over 2. And we shall write this one as 12 plus 6 square root of 3 as final solution, plus here plus or minus, it is not plus only, so that here we have y1 equals to 12 plus 6 square root of here 3, whereas y2, this is equal to 12 minus 6 square root of 3. Of course these are values of y1 and y2, and we know that x equals to 20. Here we have 24 minus y, so that x1 here we shall write, which is equal to 24 minus 12 here plus 6 square root of 3, then this will be 24 minus here, that is 12, 24 minus 12, that is 12, then this negative multiply here to get negative 6 square root of 3. And of course here x2 will be 24 minus 12 minus 6 square root of 3, and this is equal to 24 minus 12, that is 12, negative times negative plus here 6 square root of 3. And here we can check if our answer is correct. Then here x plus y equals to 24. And of course we have x which is equal to, here we have x 12 plus 6 square root of 3, and y which is equal to 12 minus 6 square root of 3, which is equal to 24. And of course, if you are seeing nicely, this is the difference of two squares, where this will be 144 because it's 12 squared. Then here minus, this can be 36 here times 9, right? 36 times 3, sorry, just go to 24, question mark. And of course, this is 144 minus, here we have 180, right? Which is equal to 24, question mark. And of course, this is 36. Oh, and here we have forgot. We multiply instead of adding, right? And of course, here that is what we have to do. This is x, y, which is equal to 36. And of course, here the answer is equals to 36. What about here? X plus y equals to 24. Of course, we have 12 plus 6 is square root of 3, then plus y, which is equal to 12, minus 6 is square root of 3, which is equal to 12, question mark. And of course, you have this one, which is equal to 24, and this, so that you shall write 24, which is 24. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.